In this video, I will be comparing a high growth ETF versus a high dividend ETF. Both are Vanguard. VUG is the Vanguard Growth Fund, and VYM is the Vanguard Dividend Fund. And I compared the growth of the two over 5 years, and the growth fund with VUG was getting 125% growth, and VYM was getting 30% over 5 years. Now, I was looking at what would be the total profit if you invested $10,000 in and then let it sit for 5 years. So if you invested $10,000 with VUG 5 years ago, you would have $12,500 of profit. But if you invested $10,000 with VYM 5 years ago, you would have $3,000 of profit. Now, that's not including dividends. The dividends for the growth fund would be less. Over the 5 years, it would be about $380. And for the dividend fund, the dividend income would have been $1,775 over 5 years. But if you look at the total growth of the fund, including dividends, it would be $12,880 profit with the growth fund versus $4,775 with the dividend fund. So that the future doesn't indicate, the past doesn't indicate the future, but it does kind of guide us. So in my opinion, if you had to choose one, I would choose growth. Now, you don't necessarily have to have growth forever, but I feel like when you're in your teens or even your early 20s or early 30s, going into growth will help you out in the long run, because if you do want income with dividends, I personally would put my money in growth, and then as I got older, slowly switch it to dividends and build that dividend income. But with more money at your disposal, you'll be able to get more dividends overall if you start with growth. That's what I'm seeing with this. So, all right, hope this helps. Peace.